A syllabus is a document that outlines all the essential information about a course. Syllabus is a document that holds the details of the content of the subjects to be transacted, and the attitude, knowledge, skills are to be deliberately fostered together with the stage specific objectives. It lists the topics we will study as well as the due dates of any coursework, including test, quiz or exams. Now the four basic parts of a syllabus. The first part is Instructor Information. Near the top of the syllabus, we will find the name of our instructor, their contact information and office hour. The second part is Reading Materials and Supplies. This syllabus section lists book, online resources and other content we will need for class. Additional tools like a calculator or specific software will be listed here too. Typically, there is a note about which materials are required and which are recommended. The third part is Policies. A syllabus will outline how we will graded, attendance requirements and how the professor expects students to behave. This section may also include university-wide policies on academic honesty and respect, or how students with disabilities can request support. The fourth part is Class Schedule. The syllabus will include when assignments are due and when tests will be given. This section contains all coursework for the class, including in class assignments, homework, essays, labs and assessments. Generally, syllabus gathers all the vital information about our class in one place. If we have questions about class schedules, due dates or office hours, our professor or teachers will probably say it's on the syllabus. So when we have a question about how our class works, we have to check our syllabus first. The syllabus will help us to meet deadlines, be prepared for class, understand assignments, know how we will be graded, manage our time, stay organized, connect with professors, teachers and classmates, etc. So the syllabus is the document that has all the answers and can help us stay organized for each class. Now some standard principles used for developing syllabus evolved from NCF 2005 are appropriateness of topics and themes for relevant stages of children's development from a psychological point of view, interdisciplinary and themes linkages between the topics listed for different school subjects which fall under disciplinary areas, linkages between school knowledge in different subjects and children's everyday experiences and knowledge derived from them, sensitivity to gender parity, health, peace and special need with children, need to mature aesthetic sensibility and India's heritage of crafts and values by interchanging the art music be considered in every aspect of the curriculum. Pervasive resonance of the values enshrined in the Constitution of India in the organization of knowledge in all subjects. Continuity from one level to the next. Infusion of environment related knowledge and concern in all subjects and all the levels, treating environment as a holistic expression covering nature, all form of life, human values and socio-economic and cultural meanings of environment. Integration of work-related attitudes and values in every subject and at all levels. Using potential education technology that must include new information technology in all subjects. Linkage between school and college syllabus by avoiding overlapping. Flexibility and creativity must be encouraged in all areas of knowledge and must be constructed by children. Now here is the basic difference between curriculum and syllabus. Now try this.